ಹೊರಗಿನವರ?
Industry friends. Yeah, a lot of industry friends.
Yeah.
And of course, there is Sudeep Anna is there, and then now Prashant is a good friend, and Rakshit is a good friend, and our Raj B. Shetty is a good friend. So there are a lot of them, definitely. So I would love to catch up with all of them, but it's always, I come here for promotions and then I'm running around from one thing to the other thing and then catch the flight back. So this time I really want to come here and relax and chill with the friends.
ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಲ ಕೊಲಾಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ವಿವೇಕ್ ಆತ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನರ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಯು ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಡೂ ಅ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ?
So first clarity is that I genuinely believe that commercial film also should have content, and it's not that Ante Sundaraniki is a content film and this is just action film. This is a content driven action film, so that's also a content film, this is also a content film, but the genre of that content is a family drama and genre of this content is action. It's just genre shift, but the content is there in both the film. And I know for sure Vivek Katre is a filmmaker who always will deliver great content, and with him I'm trying a different genre. That's also I think Ante Sundaraniki is one of the special films in my career. I wanted to work with Vivek and I wanted to work something away from what we have done already. So Saripota Sinivaram was perfect continuation.
The movie will come to Bangalore and all. So when you reach the success and
100%. That's what I'm saying. By the time, every time I'm shooting, I'm going back and shooting. I want to take a break this time. First, you make it a blockbuster, then I'll come immediately. Definitely.
1 minute. Kalyan sir, please one for the photo, please. And also, sir, one minute, sir, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute, just 1 minute, sir. Actually, all are waiting to talk to you. One single sentence in Kannada. That is right. But it means like hogi, go. You have to ask, come. Yeah, that's why. Oh, yeah. ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಇನ್ನು ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವರು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 29ಕ್ಕೆ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾರೈಸಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಸೂಪರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್. Okay.